How to fix Instagram message primary general option not showing problem. So if you want to fix the Instagram message primary or general option not showing, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Instagram application. Now once you open up your Instagram, you just need simply go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. Under your profile, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down and here you will have an option of account types and tools. Tap on it and switch to a professional account. Tap on next and then choose a category and switch to a professional account. Once you switch your account to a professional account, then you can just go with continue and go with the upper left, which has that cross icon, and now reload your page. Once you've reloaded, now you can go back and then go with the messages section. Now under messages here you will have the primary, general and request. So that's how you can get it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.